What's up, guys? This is Ty, back again with another video for you guys. Before anything, if you guys are watching this, follow my Instagram right here and hit that like button and definitely subscribe to my channel because there is a lot of great content for you guys to see. All right, if you guys didn't know, I did get the motor buttoned up and here we go. Right here, got the valve cover on. I got pretty much everything buttoned up. The oil feed line or return line is on there. I put the gasket on there, some copper spray, some stuff I got right here. It's supposed to sail really good. What else did I do? So I got this back from the fabrication shop. They welded two bungs on for me. Don't worry about the fuel road. That's gonna be out of here soon. Put the rye wire kit on. Pretty much got everything, tightened. I'm gonna put the fenders on. This is just like this right now because I don't have like the headlights or anything. I still have to order them. Got the radiator in. Yes, I am a zip tie mechanic. That's just for now. I did put oil in it, but I let it run for a little bit and I drained it all out and I put different oil in. Hey, just trying to get anything that's in there out of there, make it. It's for a clean build, man. I want a clean build, bro. So, blow off valves there. I got a few things here. Don't mind the mess right there. That's all going out. Got a few things right here. That's the oil. Man, I gotta clean this stuff up. I just been really busy. Driver side axle, coolant. I did get the coolant hoses. This alternator, that is, that's my wideband, AEM. Shout out you, baby. Yeah, shout out AEM. And I didn't have a half shaft, so there's a half shaft there that I ordered. So I have to, gonna be putting that on soon. Oh, and if you guys follow my Instagram, I did put up a first start video. So I'm gonna add that in right about now. All right, so you guys know about Speed Factory. I got these springs right here, which, let me show you guys. Let me show you guys the spring. These springs, they go in the transmission. They're pretty much to make your, each shift more crisp, I guess. I don't know, that's what it said. But it makes, when you're shifting, it just, boom, goes right into gear. You won't, supposedly you're not supposed to grind, but we will see. Because, trust me, I will be putting them to the test. So, gonna be putting those on. Man, it's just, oh man. Okay, so shout out Downstar. Got the little valve cover kit set, whatever. Over here too, right here. That and what else did I do? Oh, got the gaskets on. You see, put the RTV in the corners. You gotta put the RTV in the corners. If not, leaky. You don't want that. And yeah, it just looks so nice, man. Can't wait to have this on the street, man. Woo! Is that crooked? Is that crooked? A little bit. But, yeah. I mean, I would start it now, but I don't want to start it now because I still gotta put some oil in it. Let me loosen this. Gotta put the rest of the oil in and probably might start it later. I'll put some coolant, put the oil, and let's see what happens, guys. All right, guys, today is the day. This is Ty, Ty's Auto Works, back again. It's my boy Robert right here, aka Bebo. Yo, so the car is out the garage, finally. We making big moves over here, man. Still needs to be cleaned a little bit, but that's okay. They trafficking that cocaine right there. That perico, look at them boxes. Those not dressers. Yo, but yeah, yo. It's out here right here. Out here. Look at Juan Medina right there. Truck driver. Right there. Got the cameraman right here. We making big moves over here. I'm coming for you, Juan. I'm coming for you. It's been a while since I've uploaded, and guess what, baby? Nothing. Last time, I believe, I was supposed to start the car, but a lot of stuff wasn't done. So pretty much what I did is I wired the fan. I had to make a like a charge harness for the alternator and the starter, run it to the fuse box. What else did I do? I put the catch can in, 10A in fitting, blah, blah, blah. Wow, what else? Hey, I got headlights. Check it out, check it out. Check it out, check it out. Here we go. I put the wiper cowl back on. Damn, what else? I got like spark plugs like 3 times. Don't mind that. That was just like a quick thing for when I went to the dyno. And another thing, I didn't even make it on the dyno that day because my car was, I really don't want to talk about it. It was a really long day. So, if you guys know anyone that wants to buy a 94 through 97 bumper, fresh, original, let me know. Also, leave a comment below of how much horsepower you think I'm going to make on the dyno, because let me tell you, a lot of money has been going into this, you know, and I'm trying to make some power, trying to make a horsepower gain from a stock motor that's about 147 horsepower. And yeah, so I mean, I got a goal. It's 300 plus, but just let me know what you think I'm gonna make. Also, let me go on the width. Let me go. Oh, hold up. Check out the ice. Check out the ice. Still need door handles though. No door handle, gang. So my cousin right there, Squad, helped me clean up the inside of the whip. You know what I'm saying? Well, I still gotta get that, but hey, the door opens and closes and locks. Yeah, it's all vacuumed and stuff. Cleaned it up, got the fuse box all nice, so you can't really see it, but it looks amazing. So, oh, look, you got a light. Bam. There we go. Right there, got the fuse box mounted all nice. I got the blower back in there. Got the glove box in here. And one more thing, boys. Where my key? Where my keys at? In my pocket. In my pocket. Also, we cleaned the garage today. Shout out JB Tune. Shout out JB Tune. Cleaned the garage. It's all clean in here. And got the AAM wideband hooked up right there. You see that right there? Oh, it looks so pretty. Focus. Oh, there we go. Looks so pretty right there. And yeah. Let them know, man. Let them know.
One more week, UConn. Tiger's gonna be there. Casper probably be there. We're gonna be there.
If you guys don't know, hold up. If you guys don't know who Casper is, that is the white lowered CL. Everything is in the works right now. Trying to, sometime this week, like I said, should get the car dynoed. Just wanted to give you guys a little update because haven't been uploading, been busy. If you guys are watching this right now, just hit that like button, subscribe, and stay humble, stay blessed. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.